Welcome back to another video. So, right now I have honestly no idea what's going to come out of my mouth, but the thing is, I am in a weird place right now. Time moves very slowly compared to last year, and I think some of you can relate to this as well. Like, time is moving so slow that it makes me think that something else should happen, like something should come from outer space and make me want to push forward with everything that I have in front of me again. Like, I used to do things on a daily basis really quick. Like, my motivation came from pushing hard and hustling, and resting was something that I struggled with. But now time has gotten so slow that I find myself trying to push, but I can't because physically there is nothing that is wanting me to push right now. It's like I've got the opportunity to be in a rhythm with everything that I do, and what that has done is that everything that I do has become like something that I do not want to push myself to do. And when I start to push myself to do it, I feel anxious from within because it just reminds me of everything that happened last year and everything that happened because I pushed myself, and that just makes me not want to push myself at all. But still, this thing of having to constantly tell myself that it's okay to not rush, it's okay to be at your own pace, and it's okay to take your own time, and it's okay if time moves slowly, is what I'm dealing with right now. And I think we think that time goes slowly because once everything truly starts to adjust to you, like adjust to the new you, what that does is that your energy gets reflected in everything else that you do. So, when you feel at peace within, then everything that you do should also lead back to that peace, basically. So, once your mind starts to distort yourself and tell yourself that it shouldn't be easy, that you are doing something wrong if this is feeling easy, then that means that your mind is just trying to take you away from the fact that you are already at peace within. So it's basically, you know the truth, you know what you need to do because you are that within. If you're feeling sad right now, then this act should also inherently make you feel how you are feeling, because that's what is like to be in the present moment. If you were willingly trying to change your mind or change your energy frequency, then that's okay. But if you're doing something that makes you have to be in the present moment, like perhaps drawing or taking a walk, right? That act has to not only make you energized if you put the intention to be energized at the end, but it can also lead to you just realizing how you feel. And being in the present moment just wants us to feel what we are already feeling, because that's the whole point of how time moves slowly. Time moves slowly only when you realize what you are actually feeling, and that has been happening right now for me. Like, I do not want to change my energy anymore. I do not want to be more happier or be more, let's say, inclined or motivated to do things anymore, because what I have found is that I have found my own rhythm. I have found how I do things and I have found peace with that. So I tend to think that things more move. I took a break and you see I have lost my flow, but we will get it back again. So things move slowly not things, time moves slowly for me once I am in rhythm. So then this is a good thing. I am on the right path. And yeah, but it's still hard not being in a place where I once was just like a month ago. It's hard when you constantly evolve and change, and you have to constantly see how your reality catches up to you. How your reality catches up to it. But yeah, so it's okay to feel grief, sadness, anger in the present moment, and it's okay to not want to feel happy in that moment as well. That just means that you are in the present moment, you are living life, and if you think things aren't going to change, they will eventually. I don't know how they will, but if I had to go all go through all of that and come here, then change has had to occur, and not only from within but also externally. So not everything is on your shoulders all the time. Sometimes life does give you blessings, and just trusting that, I think, is enough confirmation for you that you are doing much greater than I think you realize. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is the short one. I don't know what to talk about these days. I don't know where I am going honestly with this um, just talking to the camera type of videos. Like, the truth is, I have made videos clickbaity for a while, and then I have tried to make videos that are a bit more authentic, but then my view count got lesser, and now I'm trying to shift my perceptions on being a creator, and I'm trying to truly just bask in feeling sad that I probably won't get the amount of recognition I could get if I just did clickbaity videos, but also feeling soulful and feeling proud of the fact that I am following my own level of authenticity that I can tap into right now. So that's honestly all that I can do to be on the path that I'm on. So I'm just honoring that, and I hope you honor your path with everything that you do as well.